let's go over yesterday's questions. We asked the question, what if you were starving? You walk into a kitchen, you look in the refrigerator, and you see 3 items, but you can only take 1. What do? You have a choice between the chicken salad, the tuna salad, or the potato salad. Most people said they would take the chicken salad. Me, I'm a tuna salad guy. However, I'll take a good chicken salad sandwich also. But that's what the majority of the people said. All right, folks, that's going to do it for us today on the 2TapTony 2-Minute Challenge. We're glad you were here. We're glad you're joining us every day. We look forward to the very next question that we can present to you.